Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you're all well. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. On this channel, I talk all about things handbag related, fashion, mindful consumption, and the like. If you're a returning viewer subscriber, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit of a doozy if I do say so myself. So today we're going to be talking about an unboxing fail. Unfortunately, it's a fail and I will be sending it back. So for those that have been more or less keeping up with the channel, I had a Celine Nano in the color pollen that I sold, regretted it, saw this bag from Marc Jacobs in the perfect color and thought about purchasing it to replace it. Essence had a 20% off discount code, so I applied it, got the bag today, and it came a bit damaged. And I'm like, no! So, this is the bag. This is the Marc Jacobs the tote bag in the color Custard. And it looks fine until you start looking closely, and you can see that there are little black marks in between the leather, sort of like it's dirty almost. And I'm so sad because it's literally perfect. It's so cute. But I'm just like, why does this keep happening? So I'll insert some close-up pictures so you can see. But this bag retailed for $5.25. This is the small size. And I'm not sure like what these little like dirty marks are, but they won't come off. And it's got like one here, it's got one there, it's got one there, it's got one there, it's got one up here as well. And I'm like, what the actual hell is happening? Also has one there. Like, the bag is just like dirty. And I don't know why that is. Or if it's like the paint coming off of the leather. Like, I really don't know. But so far, not impressed. The color though, perfect. This color is perfect, so I'm not sure if I'll be repurchasing it or if I'll just let this sleeping dog lie, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, it just has like all these like marks on it, which I'm like, why? And because, I mean, it's not that easy to see on camera, but I can really see like it right there, 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 there. Like, it's just like a little too many things. You know, when you buy a bag, especially for a couple $100s, when I open it, I'll be like, oh my God, it's perfect. I don't want to be like, oh, what are all those marks on it? So I did initiate a request to return it with Essence, or we'll see what their response is. I'm like, they used this like tissue paper that has like a bunch of black dots in it. So I'm like, did some of the dots like fall and like damage the bag in some way? Like, I really don't know. So this is my failure. Oh, you can really see it when it's like on the side like that. I'm like, why is it so dirty? Oh my God, there's also another one there. There's just like, there's a bit too many things for me to be like, I'm keeping it. So I'd originally wanted it as a replacement to my Celine Nano luggage tote, which I loved and then sold because I didn't use. And then I had this same tote bag in the canvas color block. But then I sold it because I didn't really like the canvas and I wanted the leather. So then when I saw this as like a perfect amalgamation of the two, I was like, oh my God, perfect. But yeah, it's a bit of a fail, you guys. I'm not sure what I should do. I'm definitely returning this one. And then like, I guess I'll see if I want to repurchase it again. But yeah, it's such a fail. I'm like, why? Maybe it's just a sign that I shouldn't do it. When I made a post on my community tab about like, do I get this bag? Do I not? A lot of people were like, don't do it and get something that's better than the Celine Nano. And I'm like, you know, I kind of see that, but also like price wise and just like functionality wise, these bags are great. But yeah, I'm just like, why did it have to come like kind of like messed up? I have seen a few other videos from like Jetron over at Jet Vinci and just other people online unboxing these bags and being like, why does it have a problem? You know? Luckily, Essence is very good with their returns, so I'm just waiting to hear back from them on next steps. But yeah, that's my fail, guys. That's my fail video. bit sad about it. I was really excited about this bag and I wanted to be like, oh my god, like, yay, look, I got it. And now it's just sort of like, now I have to deal with the hassle of a return. So that's my video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I should repurchase it again or just count my losses and just move on with my life. So thank you all for watching. I know it's a bit of a short one today, but I hope you all are well. And please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.